Alright, energy is able to be conserved, but what we mean by that is not so much the saving of it. It simply means it talks about the fact that we can't destroy it. So energy can't be either made or destroyed. Now, as it says here, our current society relies upon energy, and we all do, and we all use a lot, and probably our most useful form is electricity. Now, we can't make it. We actually, even though some people say we do, we don't. We actually generate it, and we generate it by changing another form into electricity. So that's one thing we can do. So, in other words, we look at what we have in terms of energy, or what we have that contains energy, and then change it into a more useful form. As I say, normally things like electricity. And all of our technology and appliances, for want of a better term, are designed to accommodate that fact. But the only problem is, sometimes when we create energy, when we transform or change energy from one form to another, we actually form a non-useful form. In other words, when we're creating electricity, not all the energy that we put in becomes electricity. Some of it becomes other forms, typically sound and heat. They are typically the forms that we see that non-useful that is produced in our technologies. So because we can't do this, we have to obey the law, and the law is called the law of conservation of energy. And it simply says we cannot create or destroy energy, but we can change it from one form to another. And luckily that can occur, so that means that we are able to keep our societies going.